back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with some happy mail. Oh my gosh. I know y'all remember my video from Andy's store. So I'm gonna have to hold it this way because you got it on both sides. And I started opening because I was like, I don't think my diamond paintings are this tiny. So I started opening it to see what was inside and stopped immediately when I saw dies. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish opening. Look at that. He is a sweetheart. Oh, I like this. Oh, I'm gonna keep that. I need to use that. But look what I got. I got replacements, guys. Oh my gosh, that was so sweet. This was from Andy's store. Oh, I love this. Yeah, when I ship something, that'll be perfect. So I'm putting that to the side. I love that. But look what I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 replacements. Yes. That is awesome. I had some that were curving. They were curving. That was crazy. And these are straight. No liquid inside. And it came pretty quickly, guys. I'm loving it. Thank you so much, Andy's store. I appreciate it. That was very thoughtful of him. He saw that it was not working. And for me to order, you know, multiples of these, and they are all, a whole pack was curved. So it had to be that one pack. The other ones were great. So let's look at the dies again. No water. Amazing. I'm so happy. Never fails. Yes, yes. Absolutely love it. Making sure it's smaller. Yeah, that's smaller. I was really curious to see if I was missing any pieces from the other one, but it looks like it's not. Amazing. I am so excited for this. Thank you so much, Andy's store. I will be making it. But I think on the digital, you have 2 of these. One slightly smaller. So I don't know why they only did one. I guess it doesn't matter. They both need to be the same size. But I think the decorative paper is smaller. So there's more pieces on the digital than this. Yeah, I went on ahead and ordered the digital because of how it looked, and I didn't know he was going to send me a replacement. So this is awesome. I appreciate it. I can't wait to create with this. Y'all let me know what you think. That was so sweet of you, Andy's store. I appreciate you, your great customer service. So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.